Certainly, here are some unique woodworking project ideas using scrap and pallet wood for daily use and the home decor. Create rustic coaster by cutting scrap wood into a small square pieces, sand them down and add a unique design using wood burning or stencils. Finish with protective coat of varnish. These coasters make functional and a stylish addition to your home decor. Arrange pallet pieces into a various sizes and shapes to create abstract wall art pieces. Stain or paint the wood in a different colors to make it visually appealing. These eye-catching decor pieces can add a personality to any room and a decor. Design a desk organized using scrap wood. Build compartments for pen, notepads, and the other office supplies. Add a small shelf for spotted plant or the inspirational quotes. It's a practical and a decorative addition to your workspace. Craft a wine rack from pallet wood. Create a slot to hold wine bottles and add a hook for a shelf to store wine glasses, crockery, and other accessories. Stain the wood to give it an elegant finish. Construct floating shelving using scrap wood. Arrange them in a unique geometric pattern to your wall. These shelves can hold book, plants, or the decorative items, using and adding both function and the style to your living space. Make a serving tray using pallet wood. Add a handle for easy carrying. Customize it with a vintage design or the personalized message. This tray is perfect for serving breakfast in a bed or hosting tea parties. Build a multiple tried plant stand using various scrap wood and the pallet wood. Paint or stain it in a vibrant color to give your indoor and the outdoor garden a pop of color and a unique display space for your plant. Transform a pallet into a headboard for your bed. Sand it, paint and stain it to match your bedroom decor and attach it securely to the wall. This do it by yourself headboard. Add a rustic and a cozy touch to your bedroom. Create a key holder by attaching hook to a piece of scrap wood. Paint it with a chalkboard. Paint to write down reminder or leave a message. Hang it near your front door to keep key and stay organized. Craft a large wall clock using pallet wood, stain or paint wood, and add a clock mechanism with a large decorative hands. This functional piece of art can become a focal point in your living room. Remember to prioritize safety when working with wood. Wear appropriate safety gear and use the necessary tools. This unique woodworking project will not only enhance your daily life but also add a personal touch to your home decor. Selecting the right pallet wood for your project is crucial to ensure your woodworking and your work are safe and successful. Here are some steps to help you to choose the best pallet wood. Some pallets have markings that indicate their origin and the treatment. Look for a marking such as heat treated, meaning the wood has been heat treated to kill pests, making it safe for indoor use. Avoid pallet marked with amber, as this chemical can be harmful. Inspect the pallet for any damage such as crack, splits, or the rot. Damaged wood may not be suitable for your project as it can compromise its structural integrity. Pallets are often made from various types of wood, including oak, pine, and the hardwoods. Consider the type of wood you need to do a project and choose pallets that match your requirements. Keep in mind, the hardwood pallets are often more durable and suitable for heavy-duty projects. Select pallets that appear clean and dry. Avoid those stain, mold, and the sign of moisture, as these can affect the quality of wood and potentially introduce pests into your workspace. Pallets are typically held together with the nail of staples. Ensure these fasteners are not excessively rusted or damaged, as the remove them can be challenging and may damage the wood. Measure the dimension of the pallet to make sure it is fit for your project requirements. Some pallets are large and smaller than standard size. To choose one that matches your design. If you want a specific look or the finish to your project, pay attention to the appearance. Some pallets have weatherhead to the rustic passions that can add the character to your woodworking project. If you plan to take a pallet from business or the industrial site, always ask for a permission before looking them. Some places have a policy against pallet removal, while others may have happy to give them away. When reassembling the pallet, choose the right tool and take your time to avoid damaging the wood. A pry-bar, hammer, and saw may be needed to carefully separate the board from the pallet frame. After obtaining your pallet board, it's essential to sand it down to remove rough edges, splinters, and any remaining marking. You can also apply finish like stain paint or clean agent to achieve the desired look and the protection. Remember that pallet wood can vary in quality, so not every piece may be suitable for every project. With careful selection and preparation, you can create beautiful and functional items using reclaimed pallet wood while ensuring your safety and the longevity of your project.
Thanks for supporting us. We are back again with another amazing video. So please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Our today's video is about pallet woodworking project, upcycle pallet wood furniture, and pallet wood decoration items. So let's get started. Pallet wood has become a popular material for woodworking projects and upcycling. These versatile and sturdy and affordable pieces of wood can be transformed into a various furniture and decoration items. In this video, we will explore the various ways to upcycle pallet wood into the unique and the beautiful creation. Pallet wood is an excellent material for woodworking project. It is affordable, reliable, and readily available and can be transformed into a variety of items. Here are a few ideas for pallet woodworking projects. One of the most popular pallet woodworking project is a coffee table. Pallet can be easily dismantled and used to create a rustic yet stylish coffee table. Simply sand down the pallet, stain and paint